Today is the 13th of November and the weather is very cold. Temperature is -1 degrees, and I'm gonna try to see how that -1 degree affects my pizza making. I'm gonna turn on the gas right now. Just one shot. This one is on right away. I'll leave it on and I go in and prepare the dough. So the oven has been preheated for 20 minutes. Let's measure the temperature right now. In the middle of the stone, it is 750. 740, 750. At the back of the stone is 893. In the front of the stone is about 490, 500. So right in the middle of the stone, that's what matters. About 750, 760. So that's good enough. Going inside and prepare the dough. And when I come out, it's about 5-7 minutes. And that will be like around 800. That's good for a Neapolitan pizza. The temperature outside is frozen, -1 degrees. With the dough, I sprinkle some semolina flour on top and at the bottom. I nudge the dough to make sure it's round and pop some of the bubbles and form the pizza. I put it on the wooden peel and spread some of the homemade pizza sauce. Spread it evenly and put some cheese and dry leaves, basil leaves, and put it in the oven. After about 2 minutes, I take it out and the pizza is perfect. It's cooked evenly and the cheese has melted perfectly. The bottom is cooked perfectly. It smells really good and looks delicious. Now let's do the test. I'm going to see if I can cut this pizza to see the inside, how it looks. As you can see, the crust is really crunchy in the outside and airy in the inside. It's crunchy in the outside and airy in the inside. A lot of bubbles. All right, enjoy.